Hello everybody, welcome back to Maharshi Sandipni YouTube channel, and this is term 2. Your man is back with some more interesting videos related to the subjects. So happy new year everybody, and wishing you all happy Diwali also. So let's start with our subject English. Today we are going to start the first chapter, that is in Canopy Term 2 book, page number 1 and 2. You can also open it. We will read the first chapter. Also we are going to explain you the same, that is in the market. Okay, now open your Canopy Term 1 book, Term 2 book, 1 and 2 page number. It is already mentioned there. Let's start the chapter. First of all, in the market, right? What is market? Market is a place where we can find many different types of things like fruits, vegetables, different type of things, right? That is known as market. Now, let's read the chapter and see what is there in the chapter. It is market day. You all are going with mama, right? At market. आप सब लोग अपनी मम्मा के साथ market जाते होंगे shopping करने, yes, grocery लेने, right? So what is there? Today is a market day. आज market जाने का दिन है. The market is full of people. Now what is the spelling of market? M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. The market is full of people. People यानी कि लोग. What is the spelling of people? P-E-O-P-L-E. People. So when we are going to market, हम जब market में जाते हैं grocery लेने या फिर कुछ चीज की shopping करने, so you can see there are so many different type of people, right? वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, right? So today is market day. The market is full of people. Man. M-E-N. Now what is M-E-N man? M-A-N man होता है, that is singular. And what is M-E-N man? यानी कि बहुत सारे, that is plural form of man. Okay? That is M-E-N man. Woman. W-O-M-E-N woman. Woman is a singular and woman is a plural form. एक woman, W-O-M-A-N woman. Now W-O-M-E-N woman यानी कि बहुत सारी औरतें. Okay? So man, woman and children. What is the spelling of children? C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Children यानी कि बहुत सारे बच्चे. So man, woman and children push, P-U-S-H, push each other. अब आप जब मार्केट में जाते हो तो मार्केट में औरतें होती है, there are men also and there are some children also which were pushing each other. Pushing यानी कि धक्के मारना. So man and woman, children are pushing each other. Next, vendors call out. What is the spelling of vendors? V-E-N-D-O-R-S. Vendors. What is the meaning of vendor? A vendor is someone who sells things. Vendor क्या होता है? जो चीजें बेचता है. For example, आप अगर आपकी मम्मा के पास आज जाते हो सब्जी लेने के लिए, वहां पर अलग अलग सब्जी वाले होते हैं, राइट? कोई पोटैटो एंड ऑनियन सेल करता है, कोई दूसरी चीजें सेल करता है, राइट? There are some different vendors who are selling different things. Is known as vendor. Next, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers like sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Now जब आप मार्केट जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहे हैं? जब मैं मार्केट गई तो मैंने वहां पर क्या क्या देखा कि यहाँ पर दूसरे वेंडर्स थे, तो चीजें सेल कर रहे थे. उसमें से पहला वेंडर कौन सा था? फ्लावर्स का, जो फ्लावर्स सेल कर रहा था. कौन से फ्लावर्स सेल कर रहा था? He was selling sweet jasmines, pink roses, R-O-S-E roses, R-O-S-E-S roses यानी कि बहुत सारे मम्मा कंगन पहनती है ना हाथ में, उसे बोलते हैं बैंगल्स. So next seller was bangles. Who was selling which color bangles? Red and green, pink and blue. Bangle seller was selling red, green, pink and blue bangles. Now next is fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Fresh यानी कि ताजा, एकदम crisp. Okay? So fresh fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. So the next bangle seller was fruit seller. Who was selling oranges and grapes. Now remember one thing students, there were 3 vendors. Which vendors were there? First of all, flower, then second, bangle, and third is, yes, you are correct, fresh fruit seller. So there are total 3 vendors, that is flowers, bangles and fresh fruit seller. Now next, a little girl stands in front of bangle seller. जो एक छोटी सी बच्ची है, little girl, you can also see in your Canopy Term 2 book. There is one picture. It's showing that a little girl is standing in front of the bangle seller. Front यानी कि bangle seller की shop के आगे. She is crying. Now seller मतलब SELLER seller यानी कि जो चीजें बेचता है. And crying is CRYING. Crying यानी कि रोना. That little girl was crying in front of the bangle seller. Why she was crying? Let's see that. What's the matter, little girl? Now, why are you crying? Asked the bangle seller. अब bangle seller ने उसे देखा कि वो बहुत रो रही थी. She was crying. So he asked her that what is the matter, little girl? Why you are crying? आप क्यों रो रहे हो? क्या बात हो गई है? Next, I want my brother, says the little girl. Now this little girl is answering to the bangle seller that मुझे मेरे भैया चाहिए, my brother. He is lost, right? Little girl अपने भैया से दूर हो गई थी, गुम हो गई थी मार्केट में. So she is telling that I want my brother back. What's your name? Asked the fruit seller. Now जो bangle seller के आसपास fruit seller भी तो बैठा था, तो उसने भी उसे पूछा that What is your name, little girl? आपका नाम क्या है? किसने पूछा? Fruit seller ने. So that little girl is answering to the fruit seller that Anjali, 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 says the little girl. What is the name of the little girl? It is Anjali. The name of little girl is Anjali. Now you can turn your page. Don't cry, Anjali. I will. There is mentioned I and apostrophe and double L. It is meaning I will. It is a short form of I will. I will give you bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. What is the meaning of bright? Having a lot of light. यानी कि बहुत ब्राइट कलर्स, यानी कि भड़कीले कलर्स को बोलते हैं ब्राइट. सो व्हाट इज टेलिंग इन दिस सेंटेंस? डोंट क्राई अंजलि, आई विल गिव यू ब्राइट ब्लू बैंगल्स, सेज द बैंगल सेलर. अब बैंगल सेलर ने उसे क्या बोला अंजलि को कि आप रोइए नहीं, आई विल गिव यू ब्राइट ब्लू बैंगल्स, मैं आपको ब्राइट ब्लू कलर की बैंगल्स दूंगा, आप रोइए नहीं. And I will give you an orange, says the fruit seller. अब fruit seller ने भी उससे बोला कि आप रोइए नहीं, हम आपको क्या देंगे? एक orange देंगे. Right? जब आप लोग भी रोते हो तो मम्मा ऐसा करती है ना, अब please don't cry, I'll give you this, I'll give you that. So here also that all the vendors are telling to the little girl that you don't cry, please, we will give you some or something. Okay? Next. That is, I don't want bangles or an orange. Now little girl is saying that मुझे orange और bangles नहीं चाहिए, पर उसे क्या चाहिए? She want her brother. I want my brother, says Anjali. Now if I take you from your parents and I'll tell you that you don't go with your parents, I'll give you some chocolates. Will you say yes? No, you don't say yes, right? Because you want your parents back. You don't want the chocolates, right? So here also Anjali is feeling the same. She doesn't want orange or bangle, but she wants her brother back because she is lost from her brother, right? So she wants her brother back. Don't cry, says the fruit seller. There's a policeman. What is the spelling of policeman? P-O-L-I-C-E. Police and A-N man. Policeman. There is a policeman. He will find your brother. अब फ्रूट सेलर ने क्या बोला लिटिल गर्ल को? You don't cry. आपको वहां पर पुलिसमैन दिख रहे हैं? Yes. So he will help you to find your brother. Right? Policemen क्या करते हैं? They are helping us ना. If हमारी कोई भी चीजें गुम हो जाती है, if we are in some different manner, right? So they are helping us. So क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर भी? जो पुलिसमैन है वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपके भैया को ढूंढने में. That is my brother, says Anjali with a big smile. So after finding in the market here and there, they find Anjali's brother, right? So what Anjali is telling? See, that is my brother. Anjali says with a very big smile on her face. Okay. So from this chapter we have learned one thing, students, that कभी भी हम जब भीड़ वाली जगह पर जाते हैं या we are going outside, we always have to hold our parents' hands tightly so that we are also not lost by them, right? हम जब भी मार्केट में जाते हैं या कहीं पर भी भीड़ की जगह पर जाते हैं आउटसाइड, सो हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स का हाथ पकड़ के रखना चाहिए या हमें हमारे बड़ों का हाथ पकड़ के रखना चाहिए, जिससे क्या होगा कि आप ऐसे गुम नहीं हो जाओ, राइट? So we are ending the video over here. You all have to write these hard words and the word meaning in your English notebook. Also we are going to share the same chapter PDF which you have to complete in your English notebook as well as Kinopi Term 2 book. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.